Mission. SDSSU shall provide competency-based higher education training driven by relevant and responsive instruction, research, extension, and sustainable resource management. Particularly, SDSSU is committed to number 1, produce competent and skilled graduates prepared for gainful employment. Number 2, develop graduates who shall not only foster economic progress but also care for the environment, adhere to positive value system, and preserve cultural heritage. Number 3, engage in high-impact research for instruction and develop technology for food security and renewable energy. Number 4, collaborate with government and non-government agencies to help improve the lives of the marginalized groups. And 5, promote cooperation and/or partnership among regional, national, and ASEAN institutions in higher education. Vision: a leading local university with widened academic perspective that focus on attaining food security, supporting poverty alleviation, developing renewable energy, and conserving natural environment. Values: SDSSU cares. C for competence, A for accountability, R for responsiveness, E for excellence, and S for service. These core values are not description of the work we do, nor the strategies we employ to our university vision. They are the core values that underlie our works and interactions as we internalize responsibilities to fulfill our mission. They are the basic elements of how we go about our work and how we deal with stakeholders, mold students to become competent, innovative, globally competitive, and service-oriented. Quality policy. The Surigao del Sur State University commits itself to produce highly motivated, globally competitive, and morally upright human resource through higher education that conforms to international standards, driven by excellent instruction, relevant researches, sustainable extension, and production services. Together with our stakeholders, we shall endeavor for continual improvement of our quality management system in consonance with statutory and regulatory requirements for clients and industry satisfaction for quality of life. Forestry objectives. The Forestry Department of USEP Bislig Campus, with its 4-year degree course, is bound to do its task of producing highly trained, morally upright, and globally competitive foresters who could apply forest environmental management skills and knowledge in sustaining the needs of wholesome environment while a continuous flow of supply of forest product is sustained. Conduct viable researchers in order to produce and develop new and appropriate technologies and techniques that may curve down the prevailing hindrances in attaining productive outcomes of the forest environmental management activities. Develop and upgrade approaches in dealing with and or meeting the needs of the community as an integral part of the forest environmental management concern, and integrate the organizational management skill and knowledge in maintaining an environment for productive achievements of the forest environmental management objectives. Goals of Forestry Department. Number 1. Produce highly competent graduates who possess the ability to pass the Forester Licensure Examination or FLE. Number 2. To produce relevant research output through students' research training activities, as well as undertake and maintain a community-based extension and production projects for students' training and community involvement. And 3. To mold and hone the students as well-rounded person who can well communicate, share, and relate concepts and ideas with other individuals or group of individuals, which in turn could create a venue to develop their whole being. Philosophy. SDSSU believes that higher education is an instrument for the improvement of life through democratized access to quality education in the development of well-rounded person. Goals of the university. These are the specific goals in the fourfold functions of the university. Number 1. Instruction. Develop highly competent, globally competitive, and morally upright graduates. Number 2. Research. Produce research for the advancement of knowledge, new technology, and innovative approaches for competitive endeavor. Number 3. Extension. Empower the rural poor to improve their lives through transfer of technology and knowledge. Number 4. Production. Sustain university operations through viable and profitable income-generating projects.